for the energy sector, there's a difference between developed and developing countries. Developed countries definitely have to work on better efficiency or resource efficiency, actually, and put all possible efforts into research and development to make technology progressing faster. In developing countries, I think there's a big opportunity to leapfrog certain technologies, and I think they don't have to make the same mistakes actually that maybe some developed countries made, and can really build on the experience that's already existing in the world and directly introduce new and green technologies before or leaving out the step of the dirty ones, the browns. Through our normal product portfolio, we are involved in mitigating climate change since we've been founded in 1906, because energy efficiency was also the unique selling point for our products already when we started. So with our normal product portfolio, that's actually the main goal, to provide the customer with the most efficient products. What we also do is what we are trialing at the moment to replace kerosene use, which has a very high impact on the climate because the CO2 balance of kerosene is actually very bad. And we try to provide people who do not have access to electricity and do not have the chance to simply use energy efficient appliances to have access to cleaner solutions and get rid of the kerosene use. And there we are doing a pilot project in Kenya and hoping that we can provide a business model that's helping to leapfrog from the very old technology of kerosene to energy efficient lighting that's working with renewable energies basically. It's very important because I think the private sector has a lot of technologies available already that could help the planet very much. But sometimes the framework in different countries is not really clear to the private sector. So if you do an investment decision, you need to have security. You need to know that your investment is safe, that the rules are clear. You need to know about, let's say, duty rates. So I think it's very important that the governments can actually put a framework that allows the private sector to introduce the technologies that are already available to those countries to make it, let's say, the market access easy. That doesn't mean that we don't want to pay any duties, but we need to have a stability, and if governments can provide that in cooperation with the private sector, it's possible to work out the right frameworks, then I think this would be a good opportunity and would make it much more interesting to the private sector to actually enter markets with their green technologies. Business leaders actually have to really promote what they are already able to do and really showcase that they have the right technologies on hand, that they don't have to necessarily be very expensive. They have to still invest a lot in research and development because I think it's their responsibility as well. They have the capabilities to do it, they have the know-how to do it. So I think they really have to also to maybe make a step towards governments to work together and really provide their knowledge and their technologies and their know-how to it towards the betterment.